G'day, Jason Hodges, and I want to introduce you to the Tango Blcok. Now, it's clever. I like to call it Jack because it's a jack of all trade in the garden, and you can do a heap of different jobs with it because of this T construction. If you just want to build a retaining wall, you can do it like so and go up to 600mm high. A little bit of liquid nails in between each joint and they're never going to move on you. But where they're clever is because of that T construction. Now, one of the ends has a rock face, so if you turn it on its side, straight away you've got a corner. But if you put them back to back, you can build a freestanding wall with piers in it. Now, the piers can go up to 800mm high and they're nice and solid. With the glue, they're never ever going to move on you. Now, as a front fence, they're great because you get that rock face on both sides, but also for a little bit of seating in the garden. So keep your eye out for Tango. Don't ask for Jack, they won't know what you're talking about. That's just my name for it. But the Tango Blcok for your garden is perfect.